I know. They were on.
They had a cartoon or a show?
No, a show.
There was a show on.
Called what?
Casey and the Sunshine Band.
Yeah, I remember
There
that.
was?
Mhm.
It had to have been in the 70s.
Yeah, late 70s.
Because they waned quickly.
Disco era.
And who was that? Remember there was a frog and the hippo, New Zoo Review? Was that it? They were big,
Henrietta Hippo and...
they were big humans in big suits. There was an
The New
owl.
Zoo Review. It was called the New Zoo Review.
I remember that.
Coming to you, the New Zoo Review. I remember that. I haven't thought of that in forever.
Henrietta Hippo.
And they had an owl.
There was an owl, a hippo.
That's a kid.
Ken, yeah.
How about one?
It's recording video
How about
right
one that
now.
was live action? It was live people.
And a frog.
One
There
of
was
the
a frog,
characters was
too.
called Witchy Poo.
Witchy
HR Puffin Stuff.
HR Puffin Stuff. That's it. I couldn't remember the name of it.
HR Puffin Stuff. Where you go when things get rough? Yeah, HR
On top
Puffin
of the wall, honey,
Stuff.
above the
Feeling groovy.
And who were some of the other characters in it?
There was the magic flute, which represented a pot pipe. It did, the whole thing, if you look back at it now, it was all about the drug culture. HR Puffin Stuff, the whole thing.
Really?
Oh yeah, acid trips are in there, smoking pot. It's amazing to look at it with an adult's eyes. Yep. I just ruined HR Puffin Stuff forever for Mom.
And who was the young boy in it?
I can't remember this. He got in the boat and he sailed away and went across the thing.
Say hi.
What award-winning musical did he star in?
I don't remember.
Oliver. I can't remember his name. The one who played the main lead character.
Then Oliver.
Was he the one that
Would
was
he-
in Willy
so he
Wonka and the
played
Chocolate
Oliver,
Factory,
I'm
too?
guessing?
That wasn't the same boy?
This is, he's got dark hair. Oh, he's got dark hair. Yeah, he's got dark hair.
Did he grow up to be an adult actor as well, or was he a one-star
I
wonder?
don't think so. He was a one-star wonder.
Mhm.
Yeah. I can't remember his name.
Kenny?
I remember Johnny Quest. I used to really like that.
Oh,
one.
yeah.
show, yeah.
Dr. Race Banner.
Yeah, not the main character in Oliver. The other one, the ragamuffin.
I really feel old. I don't even remember watching cartoons as a kid.
Probably they just had bows out.
You were taking care of brothers and sisters,
Right.
peeling potatoes.
I was.
Cleaning the chimney.
KP duty.
I had to get up, wash the road every morning with my tongue.